Okay, chemistry class online class kan chan le to anga lecture 2 una hen kan ti do na lecture ma sa khanin solid state omzia tele solid engtiang in classify di te chuan crystalline solids le amorphous solids te po kha omzia kan she to a difference te po kan zir to a voina chuanin classification of crystalline solids kan zir do na ni chuan crystalline solids kha palia in classify le a on the basis of intermolecular forces between them and molecules te incara forces ir khana in classify le a number 1 molecular solid, number 2 ionic solid, number 3 metallic solid le number 4 a covalent or network solid omleta number 1 kan masaberang number 1 I have molecular solid kan ti chu constrained particles as one molecules ani don cheng sa molecules te in zoom khomina solid asiam chwa how ka molecular solid kan ti mai khani a so an example nakina kan pele thonga heta example hi solid hydrogen ani a so one molecular solid can be further classified into number 1 non-polar molecular solids, number 2 polar molecular solids, and number 3 at one hydrogen bonded molecular solids and omzia kan enpeyang number 1 a non-polar molecular solids te chuang te ka ti chuan non-polar kan ti chuanin negative and positive ends omlo te omzia chu in hip sak ton zok omlo pool sak tu zok omlo kan soina kha non-polar kha ni mai ta khang non-polar molecules hawina solid and ron siam so how non-polar molecular solids kan ti chu ni mai a example a chon solid hydrogen, solid helium le solid sulfur dioxide ani a he picture in ho chuanin sulfur dioxide emi picture hi lo en taula oxygen hian in electrons kama lama pull theina tendency ne ya chu ti rol chuan sulfur po in nei thawa ma se sulfur electrons hi enge sulfur electrons hi pull tho ma sela electron deficient in siam thelo ni chan chueng vai kan ti chuan sulfur hian lone pair electrons ani ibang kha ni a khang ho negative and positive and chuang lawina solids asiam chua khanan polar molecular solids kan ti chuni a polar molecular solids ve thunga ero chuanin non polar molecules opposite sia khan negative le positive and omzia chu pakhatin electrons kha alak sak tamjok don tina ni chu hele example in ho chuan hydrogen chloride kan ne ya Cl hi electronegative elements kan tia the electronegative elements properties to class 11 in zero vector a hydrogen electrons si apul sak chara su ti rol chuan hydrogen khan electrons alo nei tem tial tiala khamini wang khan hydrogen hian del positive aron siama su ti rol chuan in Cl hi del negative ani a kha polar molecular solids omzia chu ni do berta a one next hian hydrogen bonded molecular solids kan ne hydrogen bond tipo kan zir no ta kan to hydrogen bond chu hydrogen le highly electronegative elements te inkara bond kha ni a chuanin molecules te pahni inkara hydrogen bond theina solid asiam kha hydrogen bonded molecular solids kan ti chu ni mai ta a he figure kan mu ang hian solid water a hian khoilengi hydrogen bond kan ti chuan dash line hi ni evainge oxygen le hydrogen hian hydrogen bonded an siam kan ti chuan oxygen hi electronegative elements zinga asang berdot tu ani amalama electrons pool theina chan sanga ma chu wang chuanin hydrogen bond asiam theyani ti chhinchia turani a properties of molecular solids kan enang they are generally soft number 2 they have low melting points and are usually in liquid or gaseous state at room temperature omja chu melting points an nei niama room temperature at 25 degrees centigrade khanin liquid emo gas state in emo an theya non-conductors of electricity an nia a chan chwe vai nge kan ti chuan neutral molecules an ni wang ani number 4 a chuan an kang ol sam a volatile an nia ma se vapor a an san theina kha temte chawani energy of vaporization an nei tle mani example a solid sodium te solid argon te number 2 ionic solids to the solids made by positive and negative ions ani meta a positive charge le negative charge particles in a solid asiam chwa kha ionic solid kan ti chunia internal NaCl kan ne ya sodium chloride Na plus le Cl minus sinaron siamani a Na plus kan ti chuan electrons pakhata lo sa Cl minus ani chuan electrons pakhat again ve thunga kaina khatiangina enge crystalline substance siam chwa kha ionic solids kan ti chu ni chuan properties of ionic solids kan enang number 1 constituent particles are ions, number 2 they are hard but brittle, number 3 they are insulators of electricity in solid state are insulators ani but conductors in molten state and in aqueous solution, number 4 they have high melting point, number 5 attractive forces between them are coulombic or electrostatic. Amja chu molecules inkara force kha electrostatic emo coulombic force kan ti chu ni. Metallic solids a chuan positive charge kan ru alo langta se metal chung chang kan soi chuan khang positive charge te kha electrons a khanin kan immerse don ani kan zuk phum don ani chu chuanin properties number 1 kan enang hian metallic solids a chuan khang positive ions te kha electrons khanin akal hual tur te na ni a. Number 2 chuanin they are hard but malleable and ductile an changa ma se an chan rual khan du dan da na the koi te chut som te a the ve kani. Number 3 they are conductors of electricity in solid state as well as in molten state. Solid state an omlai le tui real molten state an omlai khanin electric current akal ve theya. So number 4 so they have fairly high melting point. A melting point is sang to khat biao. Number 5 particles are held by metallic bonding. Example so iron te copper le magnesium te kan nei ani. Covalent solid kan enang the constituent particles are non-metal atoms which are held together by covalent bonds. Covalent bonds so class 11 po kan zir to thawa electrons insert na wanga bond on in siam kha covalent bonds ani a chuan khang electrons ani atoms se khan electrons ani insert na ti chuan solid form aron siam chhuaka khang kha covalent solid kan ti chuni. Example a chuan silicon oxide, silicon carbide, diamond graphite le adangte ani a ei to na picture kan mu hi diamond ani a diamond su tu in siam kan ti chuan repeating unit of carbon tam takin zom kho mina siam ani. Carbon chu tetravalent ani ti thu po kan soi to a bond pali a siam theya khang bond pali te kha in thun zom char covalent solid chi network solid kan ti bo kani in thun zom char khang in thun zom mina tam tak imphor kho mina solid form aron pek chwa kha diamond chu alo ni ta ni. Then properties of covalent solids number 1 constituent particles are atoms, they are hard but except graphite which is soft. Graphite kha chu a soft ve thunga. Number 3 they are insulators ani ma se chu ti rol chong graphite ve thung ro chu conductor ani a chan chu a figure in textbook a figure in lo enanga rectangular form of chwa ka chu chuan in delocalization of electrons kha du dan na chet kwal theina free to move zalenta ka chet kwal theina kha thlen the chu chuan in osam takin electric current kal tlang ter theya. Number 4 chuan in they have very high melting point and can decompose before melting. Then number 5 particles are held together by covalent bonding achianga. Then example te po insina kan soi to a. Here is the mind map of classification of solids. Classification of solids mind map flowchart kan di kai ta hian mu theya masaber chuan solid can be classified into 2 crystalline and amorphous, and crystalline can be further classified into 4 molecular, ionic, metallic, covalent, and 3 types of molecular solids are polar, non-polar, and hydrogen bonded. Okay, this is class atan chuan ni sela. Thank you.